Today, we will talk about what is cryptocurrency Dogecoin, DOGE, and how does it work. What is Dogecoin, DOGE? Dogecoin, DOGE, is an open-source peer-to-peer cryptocurrency designed for sending and receiving digital payments processed through the Dogecoin blockchain network. Dogecoin was developed by software engineers Jackson Palmer and Billy Marcus and launched in December 2013 as a decentralized cryptocurrency for instant payments. Dogecoin was originally created as a hard fork of the now non-existent Lucky Coin, a fork of Litecoin, LTC. So it's a fork of a fork of a fork. Dogecoin joined the cryptocurrency market with a reputation as a joke coin, a persona its devoted community happily embraced. With no CEO or official entity behind Doge, Dogecoin is mostly driven by its enthusiastic holders who have proven faithful over the years. The user base of Doge is on the rise year to year, pushing prices higher and propelling the Dogecoin market cap to constantly higher highs. Doge is mostly used for crowdfunding and tipping online content creators as a light crypto asset, but is being accepted by an ever-growing list of merchants as a means of payment. Though Doge was born a meme, Dogecoin has emerged to become one of the top cryptos by market cap with 5,000% returns in 2021 and is endorsed by millions of users, including notable supporters like Elon Musk and Snoop Dogg. How does Dogecoin work? Dogecoin is indirectly based on the code of the first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. More specifically, it was created as a hard fork of the now-defunct Lucky Coin, which was a hard fork of Litecoin, LTC. Litecoin became known as the first hard fork ever to be created when it split from Bitcoin. Dogecoin borrowed a script-based consensus mechanism from Litecoin, which is how Doge shares many functionalities with Bitcoin and its hard fork derivatives. The use of script in Dogecoin's proof-of-work (POW) algorithm prevents miners from using ASICs, the specialized equipment used in Bitcoin mining. Just like with Bitcoin, network participants of the Dogecoin blockchain use their computing power to secure the network and fuel block creation while verifying transactions. The difference is that Dogecoin has a light architecture, which enables Doge to process transactions more promptly compared to Bitcoin. Dogecoin can be mined with computational power used by network participants to generate new blocks and validate transactions by solving mathematical equations. With every generated block, miners are rewarded with 10,000 Doge. Dogecoin creators Jackson Palmer and Billy Marcus initially designed the internet's favorite coin with a maximum limit of 100 billion Doge. However, the team removed the limit only a couple of months after the launch. Dogecoin now has an inflationary supply after this change of monetary policy, generating 5 billion new Doge every year. Who are the founders of Dogecoin? History of Dogecoin. The Dogecoin blockchain and the Doge crypto that powers it were created by software engineers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer. Billy Marcus worked at IBM, and Palmer was a software engineer at Adobe, and the duo shared a vision to develop a fun and easy-to-use crypto that stands out from traditional, boring banking systems while offering near-zero fees on instant transactions. The story of Dogecoin started with an idea to create crypto that could be used by wider demographics compared to Bitcoin, and the first step was taken when Palmer bought the Dogecoin.com domain name and created the project's official website. After launching Doge and recording millions in trading volume within its first days on the market, there were as many unique visits to the official website too. Even after launching the Doge currency as a success, neither Palmer nor Marcus took over the title of CEO, and the role of the Dogecoin community became even more important for the network. The Dogecoin, DOGE, community showcased its strength on more than just a few occasions, with a special accent on collecting enough funds to cover the losses of having millions of Doge coins stolen in a hack attack on the now-defunct Doge Wallet project. What makes Dogecoin unique? Dogecoin is unique in its marketing approach, presented as a fun and friendly internet currency. Dogecoin was perceived as a joke coin in 2013 when it launched, gathering millions of followers in just the first month. Unlike the numerous cryptos and digital assets that are presented as ambitious and groundbreaking blockchain projects, Dogecoin embraced a much more casual approach. While still offering desirable features such as near-zero fees, instant transactions, a strong but lighthearted community, and non-competitive mining. Even though Dogecoin shares similarities with both Litecoin and Bitcoin. Its unique approach defined Doge as a user-friendly internet currency perfect for micropayments and ideal for social media users, content creators, and vendors alike. What gives Dogecoin value? Dogecoin's value in the market is defined and determined by the balance of selling and buying activity, which forms Dogecoin price. A major source of its value is derived directly from the strong and supportive community backing the project, and the unique approach that Doge has taken as a cryptocurrency created for internet-based payments. Dogecoin value may also rise with endorsements, like in the case of Elon Musk tweeting about Doge being one of the most interesting digital assets in the market, after which Dogecoin price skyrocketed and went to the moon, as the investing community likes to say. The value of Dogecoin and Doge price can also follow major global trends that form the collective momentum of all cryptos in the market. Doge price may change following collective trends, usually powered by Bitcoin as the most dominant crypto by market cap. The use case of Doge also plays a role in Dogecoin value, as Doge crypto is mostly used as an incentive on social media platforms for tipping content creators and sending and receiving micropayments with nearly zero fees. How many Dogecoin, DOGE, are in circulation? At its inception, Dogecoin's total supply was limited to 100 billion. However, the dev duo changed the monetary policy of Dogecoin shortly after the initial release of Doge, removing the limit and creating an infinitely inflationary supply. It is estimated that the circulating supply will double in 26 years, and currently there is no hard limit to the total supply. Block creation happens roughly every 1 minute, and the mining reward is 10,000 Doge. Other technical data. Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency that uses a custom proof-of-work consensus algorithm to enable instant payments on its ledger. Dogecoin's coin price depends on trading activity, technical value, mainstream use, adoption, collective trends in the crypto market, and a multitude of other factors. The Dogecoin network works similarly to Bitcoin's blockchain and many other altcoins, such as Litecoin, as all transaction data and block generation info are permanently written on the immutable blockchain. This decentralized system is designed to inherently prevent tampering with recorded data. The rules of the network are defined by the protocol and are enforced through full nodes, miners, who are responsible for verifying every single transaction on the network. How to use Dogecoin? Dogecoin is primarily used as an online blockchain-based currency for payments and instant transactions. Users can send and receive Doge with their Dogecoin, DOGE, wallets within seconds and with minimal transaction fees. Dogecoin can also be used to tip content creators and encourage content creation across the internet and on social media networks. Dogecoin is perfect for microtransactions, as the coin allows users to send and receive small amounts with near zero fees. Dogecoin can also be used as a speculative investment, as Dogecoin's price is subject to frequent changes. How to choose a Dogecoin wallet? The type of Dogecoin wallet you choose will likely depend on the amount of Doge you have and what you intend to do with it. Hardware wallets. Cold wallets, like Ledger or Trezor, offer the most secure option with offline storage and backup. However, they tend to be more expensive and difficult to understand, so are probably more suitable for those with experience and large amounts of Doge to store. A simpler and usually free option is software wallets. These can be downloaded to your smartphone or computer and may be custodial or non-custodial. With custodial wallets, the private keys are managed and backed up on your behalf by the service provider. Non-custodial wallets make use of secure elements on your device to store the private keys. Software wallets are more convenient for making transactions, but less secure than their hardware counterparts, meaning they're better suited to inexperienced users with smaller amounts of Doge. Dogecoin mining. The Dogecoin network operates based on the Proof of Work protocol, which means that Dogecoin can be mined much like Bitcoin. Miners verify and validate transactions and secure the network from potential attacks and malicious entities. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.